Okay, good morning, everyone. It's a bright morning, bright Wednesday morning, and welcome to another day of making money in the global financial market. So, today I'm going to be bringing us the top notch analysis that we have for today. So, first of all, let's look at the fundamental news. The fundamental news that will be coming out today, and then let's see how possible best we can also take advantage of the currency pair. So, you can see earlier as of today, which is what we are having. This is just the only news event we're going to be having today. Price came out good for the Australian dollar, so it means that the economy of the Australian is doing well, and actual came out greater than forecast. Okay, but today, so let's see the impact. Let's look out for AUD USD to see if there was any major impact by 2:30 a.m. this morning. Okay, so was there an impact? Let's look at 15 minutes time frame. Yes, there was actually an impact. Just look at this. So this was as at 2:30 a.m. about 30 pips, but no much difference you know with the impact news. But let's look at what we have for today. Okay, let's look at market watch, and let's see what we can trade today. Okay, these are my two favorite pairs I'll be looking at today: USD ZAR and GBP JPY, and both currency pairs are actually strengthened from the weekly time frame. So this is switch market. Let's look at FX Blue. Short term, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar is on the blue side, then Japanese yen and Bitcoin on the red side. So let's look at if we can trade this on the 1 hour, and let's see. So the 1 hour good, GBP, you see. So it's good to go with AUD JPY. So let's look at the medium. Okay, so we have Canadian dollar strengthening, CHF and pound sterling. Then we have USD and Bitcoin. So let's see if we can trade this on the daily. Canadian dollar is trending, the USD is trending from the daily time frame. So I will be trading within this day. Okay, within today, I'm going to be using this to carry out my trade setup today. Long term, let's see. Great Britain is trending, then USD is weakened. So as you can see this week, USD currency pair is still very weak. Okay, let's see what happens tomorrow by 1:30 p.m. because we're going to be having unemployment claims tomorrow. Now my very last currency strength I'm going to be looking at is CMS, currency strength meter. Okay, AUD is very strong, as you can see on the upper side. AUD is very strong, followed by Canadian dollar and CHF. The weakest is JPY, rather. Okay, so let's move to the chart. Let's see what we can take advantage of. First on the line is I'm going to be analyzing USD ZAR. Okay, USD South African Rand from the H4. So let's look at the H4. Let's see what we can grab of this. I'm actually selling at the moment, but it seems price is still going to push up a little bit. Okay, let's see. This is about 252 pips. So if I'm going to be watching this, if I see what happens here, I'm going to be taking a short buy to at least test this very trend line on the weekly time frame. Okay, so but my bias on this is still a sell. Let's look at GJ on the H4 time frame. Let's see what we have. All right, so GJ, I'm still looking at a bullish ride. Okay, I'm looking at a bullish ride on the GJ market. Okay, so I'm going to move my TP up a little bit from the H4 time frame. So this is what I'm expecting. Although let's see with my previous setup if market has played out as okay. So market is still sitting around 38.2, so I'm expecting price to at least test 50% or 61.8 before pushing to the downside. Let's look at USD JPY. USD JPY is still on a sell. Remember, the USD is still very much weakened. Okay, so this will be my bias on this, is to wait for market to at least retest the previous resistance before selling. Okay, then AUD JPY, same thing. I'm expecting the AUD currency pair to buy, to go bullish, which I'm just waiting for price to pass above 99.038. Okay, as a strong resistance point on that level. Let's look at CAD JPY. catch people. I did something with this with one of my clients yesterday. We're expecting price to push up to the upside. So this is what I have for us today.